as you see, we're going to be videotaping a little bit and have a couple pictures being taken. If you don't want to be on video, just stay behind the camera, okay? Or you guys can probably have to go in the hallway because everything's going to be all around. A couple things. Put some shirts out. There's a major discount on the shirts. It's 3 for $40 today. So if you guys ever wanted shirts, that's as cheap as they're going to get back there. So, and then there's the Yoga for Fighters video that most of you asked me for. And keep on asking me, and I'm like, just come in and get it. So it's a good day to get it. And a couple people will be manning that table. Where's Josh Vogel? Well, not here. Before we get started, I want to present you with this round. Yeah! I couldn't let that go to the end. I know, I'm sorry. You got a speech for the camera? Anything good? Thanks.